Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we are making peanut butter soup or groundnut soup. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let's get right into it. We are using full chicken and tripe for this recipe, and we seasoned it with chicken mix, all-purpose seasoning, shrimp cube, and salt. We mix our spices together with our meat for it to get well coated, and then we add diced onions. We are going to leave it to simmer on medium heat until the chicken releases its own juice. While our chicken is steaming, we mix our peanut butter with tomato paste and tomatoes with our neatly washed hands. You can use blender for this process if you are a modern person, but the traditional way, this is how we do it. And then you add some water, mix everything together, and then you put it on fire. You keep stirring on medium heat. If it's on a high heat, it might get burnt, and you don't want it to burn because it will change the taste of your soup. So you keep stirring until you get the oil from the peanut butter released on top of the mixture. Okay, once the oil is on top, you know it's ready, and then you can take it off the fire, and then you add some water and mix it up. Now the quantity of water depends on how thick or light you want your peanut butter soup. So this process is optional. I like to strain it because I don't like the chaffs from the tomatoes inside the soup. That's why I strain it. However, if you did it in the blender, you are not going to get the chaffs. Okay, so you can pour it directly, or if you are okay with the chaffs and the seeds from the tomatoes, you can pour it directly onto your steaming meat. Okay, so once you are done straining, you would realize why I like to strain mine. So this is the chaffs that I was talking about. I don't want it in my soup. I'm going to blend it anyways and add it to the soup later. Okay, so we go ahead and add in some vegetables after adding our peanuts mixed to steaming meat. So the vegetables I'm adding are onions, tomatoes, and peppers. Again, some people like to add it while steaming the chicken and then blend it and pour it onto the chicken before adding the peanut butter mix. Whichever process works for you, stick to it. Okay, so this is my style. Once the vegetables are soft enough, I blend it with my tomato chops and add it to the soup, and then we add some okra and some garden eggs to the soup as well. After 20 minutes, we tasted for salt and realized we needed more. So we added a little bit of salt, mixed it together so the salt will be evenly spread in the soup. And to lock in the flavor, we added some papushito or green habanero pepper. This gives the soup an amazing flavor. Okay, so don't miss that step. And we sealed it with some smoked mackerel, or what we call in Ghana salmon. Now, as you can tell, the soup is almost ready. What would you be pairing this soup with? Let us know in the comments below. Our soup came out so well and it tasted so good. We paired ours with some omutuo. if you want the omuto recipe, let us know in the comments. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscription button. It's totally free. We'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.